Next we are going to see exercise 5.4 third problem. Find the coordinates of a point P on the line segment joining A of 1, 2 and B of 6, 7 in such a way that AP is equal to 2 by 5 times of AB. This problem belongs to the page number 214. So solution: AB is the line segment. A has a point 1, 2 and B is 6, 7. Then P is given. It divides the line in the ratio 2:3. Let the point A of 1, 2 and B of 6, 7. So AP is equal to 2 by 5 times of AB is given in the question. So AP by AB is equal to 2 by 5. When AP is equal to 2, AP is equal to 2, then B is equal to, PB is equal to 5 minus 2, because PB is equal to AB minus AP. So 5 minus 2, so the value of PB is equal to 3. So it is in the ratio 2:3. A line divides internally in the ratio m:n. Point P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Here m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 6, y1 is equal to 2, y2 is equal to 7. Therefore, the point P is equal to m value is 2 into x2 is 6 plus n value is 3 into x1 is 1 divided by 2 plus 3. M value is 2 into y2 is 7 plus n value is 3 into y1 is 2 divided by 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6 2s are 12 plus 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 5, 2 7s are 14 plus 3 2s are 6 divided by 5. So 12 plus 13 is 15 by 5, 14 plus 6 is 20 by 5. We simplify, you get P is equal to 3, 4. Problem number 4. Find the coordinates of the points of the trisection of the line segment joining the points A of -5, 6 and B of 4, -3. The problem belongs to page number 214. So solution: A, B points are given -5, 6 and 4, -3. P and Q are the 2 points which trisect the line segment into 3 equal halves. So let P and Q be the points of trisection so that AP is equal to PB is equal to QB. The point P is equal to, we know the formula, x2 plus 2x1 by 3, y2 plus 2y1 by 3, which is equal to, the value of x2 is 4 plus 2 into value of x1 is -5 divided by 3, y2 is -3 plus 2 into y1 is 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 4 minus 10 divided by 3, -3 plus 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4 minus 10 is -6 by 3, 3 plus 12 is 9 by 3, which is equal to -2, 3. This is point P. The point Q is equal to 2x2 plus x1 by 3, 2y2 plus y1 by 3, which is equal to 2 into x2 value is 4 plus of x1 value is -5 divided by 3, 2 times of y2 value is -3 plus y1 is 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 5 by 3, 2 into -3 is -6 plus 6 by 3, which is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3 divided by 3, 0 divided by 3. Therefore, the point Q is equal to 1, 0. Therefore, the point P is -2, 3. The point Q is 1, 0. Problem number 5 in exercise 5.4. The line segment joining A of 6, 3 and B of -1, -4 is doubled in length by adding half of AB to each end. Find the coordinates of the new end points. The problem belongs to the page number 214. So this is the figure x, x dash and y, y dash. Here we considering one line segment. There is 2 points A and B. A point is 6, 3 and B is -1, -4. -1, -4B. Then you are going to find the distance. So distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So substitute the values. X2 is 6 minus x1 is -1. So 6 plus 1 the whole square, which is nothing but 7 square, plus 3 minus of -4 the whole square. So 3 plus 4 the whole square, that is also 7 square. 7 square is 49. So root 49 plus root 49, which is equal to root 98, is equal to 7 root 2. So the distance of AB is 7 root 2. By the given condition, A dash is equal to 7 root 2 by 2, comma B dash is equal to 7 root 2 by 2. Next we are taking the line A dash. B point is -1, -4. A is 6, 3 and A dash is x, y. So BA is 7 root 2 and A to A dash is 7 root 2 by 2. So BA dash divided by A dash. BA dash is BA plus A dash. So 7 root 2 plus 7 root 2 by 2. A dash value is given 7 root 2 divided by 2. So 7 root 2 divided by 2. Cross multiplication, 7 2s are 14 root 2 plus 7 root 2 divided by 2. The whole thing divided by 7 root 2 by 2. Then if you change the sign division into multiplication, the denominator will become the numerator and numerator will become the denominator. So root 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, 7 21 is 3 times. So which is equal to 3 by 1, which is nothing but the ratio m is to n is equal to 3 is to 1. Therefore, a line divides externally in the ratio m is to n. Here, you note the word externally. So, here the line divides externally in the ratio. So, the point P is mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. My2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. So, B dash value we doesn't know x, y. B is -1, -4 and A is 6, 3. So, m is equal to 3, n is equal to 1. Now only we find the ratio m is to n and x1 is -1, x2 is 6, y1 is -4, y2 is 3. Apply the point. So, the point A dash is equal to 18. That is 6 3s are 18. 6 into 3, 18 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, comma 9 plus 4, that is m value is 3, y2 value is 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4, n value is 1, y1 is -4. Already you have one minus sign in the formula, so minus into minus plus. So 9 plus 4 divided by 3 minus 1. So 19 by 2, comma 13 by 2. This is the point of A dash. Similarly, m is equal to 3, n is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to -1. Here we are taking the point of B dash. So x1 is 6, x2 is -1, y1 is 3 and y2 is 4. So the point B dash is equal to -3 -6 divided by 3 minus 1, comma -12 -3 divided by 3 minus 1. So which is equal to -9 by 2, comma -15 by 2. So therefore this is the point of B dash. Therefore the new end points are 19 by 2, comma 13 by 2 and -9 by 2, comma -15 by 2. Problem number 6 in exercise 5.4. Using section formula, show that the points A of 7, minus 5, B of 9, minus 3 and C of 13, 1 are collinear. The problem belongs to page number 214. Solution: if the 3 points are collinear, then one of the points divide the line segment joining the other point in the ratio r:1. If P is between A and B and AP by PB is equal to R. So first we are going to find the distance of AB. So AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. The point A is 7, minus 5 and B is 9, minus 3, which is equal to root of 9 minus 7 the whole square plus minus 3 minus into minus plus 5 the whole square, which is equal to root of 2 square plus minus 3 plus 5 is also 2 square, which is equal to root of 4 plus 4, which is equal to root 8, which is nothing but 2 root 2. Therefore, distance BC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. B is 9, minus 3 and C is 13, 1, which is equal to root of 13 minus 9 the whole square plus 1 minus of minus plus 3 the whole square. 13 minus 9 is 4 square and 1 plus 3 is 4 square is equal to root of 16 plus 16 is equal to root of 32 is nothing but 4 root 2. To find R is equal to AB by BC, which is equal to, now only we found the distance of AB is 2 root 2 divided by the distance of BC is 4 root 2. So root 2 gets cancelled, 2, 4 cancel means AB by BC is equal to 1 by 2. So we know the line segment ABC. So A is 7, minus 5, B is 9, minus 3 and C is 13, 11. Therefore, the line divides in the ratio 1:2. A line divides internally in the ratio m:n. The point P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Here the value of m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, x1 is 7, x2 is 13, y2 is 1, y1 is minus 5. Therefore, by the given equation, the point B is equal to 13 plus 14 by 3, 1 minus 10 by 3, which is equal to 13 plus 14 is 27 by 3, 1 minus 10 is minus 9 by 3, which is equal to 9, minus 3. Therefore, we get the point B as same. Therefore, the 3 points A, B and C are collinear. Problem number 7 in exercise 5.4. A line segment AB is increased along its length by 25% by producing it to C on the side of B. If A and B have the coordinates minus 2, minus 3 and 2, 1 respectively, then find the coordinates of C. The problem belongs to the page number 214. So solution, this is the diagram. We know the coordinates of A and B. We doesn't know the coordinates of C. So let it be A, B. Let the point C be A, B. So distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So we write the AB points. We are going to find the distance of AB. So A is minus 2, minus 3. That is your x1, y1. And B is 2, 1. That is your x2, y2. AB is equal to root of 2 plus 2 the whole square plus 1 plus 3 the whole square, which is equal to root of 4 square plus 4 square. 4 square is 16. So 16 plus 16 is equal to root 32. That is nothing but 4 root 2. So BC is given in the question. BC is equal to 25% of AB. So 25% is nothing but 25 by 100 into 4 root 2, which is equal to root 2, because 25 into 4 is 100, 100 gets cancelled, you get root 2. Therefore, AB by BC is equal to 4 root 2 by 4 root 2, 4 root 2 by root 2, root 2 gets cancelled. So, AB by BC is equal to 4 by 1. Therefore, the ratio is 4:1. That is the value of m is to n. Therefore, a line divides internally in the ratio m is to n. This is the formula. So, the point P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So, the value of m is equal to 4, n is 1, x1 is minus 2, x2 is a, y1 is minus 3 and y2 is b. So, substitute the values. So, b is equal to, m value is 4, 4 into a plus 1 into minus 2. So, 4a minus 2 divided by 4 plus 1, comma, m is 4 into y2 value is b. So, 4b minus n value is 1, y1 is minus 3 divided by 4 plus 1. The point B is given 2, 1, which is equal to 4a minus 2 divided by 4 plus 1, 4b minus 3 divided by 4 plus 1. The next step is we are going to equate the coordinates of x and y. Then only we can find the value of a and b. So, cross multiplication, 4a minus 2 is equal to 2 into 4 plus 1 is 5. 4a minus 2 is equal to 10. 4a is equal to 10 plus 2. 4a is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 divided by 4. The value of a is equal to 3. Then 4a minus 3 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 1. 4b minus 3 is equal to 5. 4b is equal to 5 plus 3. 4b is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. b is equal to 8 divided by 4. The value of b is equal to 2. So, therefore, the coordinate of C is 3, 2. Thank you, students. Up to this problem, exercise 5.4 will be over. Then next we are going to see exercise 5.5 in the next video class. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.